कि खूबर का बातें सी टीवी लवन राशपी तक Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke Paidbah ke admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
I think they might have talked about themselves. I am me Saling, okay? I'm not Rakam. So I'm totally different. My character, Rakam's character, their conscience, my conscience is totally different from. So I'm not Rakam. So I have performed even during the opposition also. I will perform tomorrow. So at least I will not stay barren like that. They are scared. The one who's spoken about me, about the oppositions and the uselessness about being in the opposition. I think you might have only heard about few people who have spoken about it, so you can coin them. I've spoken about one, so others on the fray. Those who spoken about it, you see, those who spoken about it, they will feel only when I say they. You got my point? I need not have to, individualize every word I have spoken. But the one which I have spoken, Rakam, of course. Who the hell told you? Trinamool supported me.
Voters voted in favor of you.
Voters, I'm telling you. Voters, and then definitely it's the, it's the divine intervention. I'm telling you, it's the God Himself who has given me, blessed me right now. Trinamool, forget the Trinamool Congress and them. I'm talking about certain people, Oh yes, what BJP?
Even BJP.
Anybody can speak anything, brother. Just because anybody speaks everything doesn't mean that we are not accepting. Nobody has supported us, brother. Only people and the Lord Himself. Which one?
BJP aligning with.
No. It's the people only. I don't want to give it to any party, any credit to any party. It's the people. It's the people. And the church leaders and the people. Whatever in my strength, I will diligently and purely deliver everything, whatever power will be given to me. 100% to my people and to protect my religion. You see, voters of Girls.
Yes.
You see, they are God-fearing people. They are not identified as BJP, NPP or Congress. They are public, they are peace-loving people. So that's the reason why they have chosen me to do something, to make some differences. Have you seen any scar in there like NPP, TMC or Congress? Nobody is TMC, nobody is Congress, nobody is NPP, nobody is such like that. But the thing is that since they have been given some designations in certain area, that's why they choose to be that particular, party. But nobody is NPP, nobody is Congress, nobody is, nobody is TMC. They're all public. They need to make a change. They needed to make a change for their own family, for their own people, and for the society as a whole. So that's the reason why I think they have chosen me, not as a Congress, but they chosen me for the change. So I'll definitely try to deliver whatever task it will be before me. No, I won't say we are leaders actually, not me only. There's a lots of people who came out and supported me, okay? So I won't say there's a lots of people who has come out to support me. So maybe they have just chosen me as a chairman to look after the issues and the thing, as a, parliamentarian. So it's not me alone who has made a differences. There's a lots of people together we have come out and then, we have done the job. Like Madam Deborah was there, Billy Kid, John Leslie, Farlin who was ditched by the NPP. Lots. There were lots of BJP.
No, but she joined BJP.
No, she's with me only.
Tested from BJP.
Well,
that's what I'm saying. But she supported me. No, not as a BJP, but as a Farlin, she supported me. I made a legacy of people only, not the family. So my whoever backed me is from the Garvils, so they are my family. So my family backed me, of course. You might say that one, but I don't know. I don't know what's the meaning of politics. When you try to analyze what is politics, for example, I don't know who has made this. What is politics? Politics is a state affair. To look after the people, to look after the the society. But I don't know. When you're saying politics, that means you're lying and then you're cheating. It's not like that to me. So my politics is totally different. My politics is for the people. So those cheaters, those liars, and then those scammers will not be part of us. So we will try to see whatever we can do. Now, for example, as you were saying, whether Dr. Mukul will come back or not. For example, we might not like him to come back. To be frank enough, we might not like Jenny to come back also. For example, to the Congress. Let them stay where they are. Simple as that.
There's no room for them now.
I don't think so. If they come through me, I will not give.